ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chief Executive Member John Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyak sings im hakish potrik kelalingkot aracara pausan ula Pyrda yaga Shillong Premier Youth Football Competition berpenlong ke Shillong Junior Football League kablalong haga football arena pokse daga jing temu ban kentiu ke jing lekai football daga jing sakilang jong pastor GS Umwi ki bahinga sem jong usamla Joel Mauro ubri utra bunong penyak ya ke tournament. Uba penyak yang berkeran haga dengan sengi ulah kular menyarap uba Joel Mauro ublala ban penlong yang dengan lempung yang lekai football kenang ban kentiu yang hebret haga jing lekai football. Haga dengan lempung yang lekai lai shimbentari rubun ke academy dengan lengkasor bat khapsor bat haga jing lekai Sdang karang dajir academy kalai kun persya yang ke Summit Academy dan nongkrem bat ke Secret Heart Football Academy kalai kun persya yang ke Sailor Isap Academy.
This is a message from the All India Football Federation as well, that we would like to congratulate all the parents who have been supporting your kids, and from the Meghalaya Football Association who have given the approval for us to run the league as well. So this is a AIFF Blue Cups, which is a tournament for kids till age 13. So we really want to make sure that everyone has a fair game. Fair game in the sense where you fight with the right age, number one. Number two is we do it in a respectful and a fair play. And we have two referees here, Ba Yamang and Ba Thongni, who will be handling all the games here. And we have a technical director here. He's the Summit Academy technical director. He's Joseph Nayak. We welcome you, Joseph. He's also my brother. We've done the A license together. And I'm very proud that you're with us here. I'm very proud for Coach Pinsok. We have a Reliance game now against Assam Rifles as well. They'll have to run, but thank you for the time. Thank you for all the coaches and all the staffs that have been working with us for the past 2.5 years. I would like to thank everyone. I'd like to thank my sister as well. Thank you so much for being here as well. And I would like to thank everyone, all the parents who have come here today. And this is my message to you all. Let's play a game that we can respect. And once we respect the game, I'm very sure everything else starts from there.
La kurku yingi baladon kat lembat ni ya kabangin yo ekini kalat kumni ban ya kenduk lang bat pi baro ki keme ki kpa jo kini ki khun ki jongpi ki ban ya shimenta agani ka football league but ngaso ban penpau ke jing kemen ya ka management jong kani ka team ka ba I head iba Joel ba family khamtam dangshen ni layo ban play kani ka futsal turf hang ni pokse kamno kala long ke jing mentoi ke jing kurku ye ki nongshong shnong jongi ka pokse but ye ki heb ke berit ki samla kan thei bat shinrang ki badan sap ha ka football hadin bang yo ke invitation ban longkum kongsan ha kani ka sngi ya ka ban play ban inaugurate ya kani ka Shillong Premier Youth Football Competition kabla organize daga Shillong Junior Football League benta apo jingelam jong I samla Joel nakabenta ka ban plilat plinanti yaki heb kibarit ban peni yalaki jong ki sap ki phong ki jong ki baki dan hakabede ka football te kadai ka jing shisha ba ka state ke jongi kadai ka state ka pau ba po football nadu kisnam ki ba menshwa henry ngiduna pat ki breu lechong ki banlong professional hakani ka line te hadin bangayo jing tip ba I samla Joel la pendep I ki jing puli hakani ka line na Shabari na UK ngada sukumen ba ngong ba he's the right person mentaban ban lead let's say ki yaki football association ki league ba pair na kamenta ka Meghalaya Brokaway tengah daing keren baka state government sports minister badan kam bahaban promote ya ka sports hang ni po Meghalaya ki bun bha ki badan sap na du ki hab ki berit adu ki bahya henry barosh kata ngiduna ka platform ngiduna ka rensan ka platform yakini bakin mi shakhmat tetaka jingwan kum jong I samla Joel ka team ka jong pi bat ka yeng ka sem ba support ipi kani ka plilat ya ki nongshong shnong jong ka jala Meghalaya tang kendiak por bang adon hang niru ngalayo kendu iki kemi kpa ki babun bang itu na ki jaka ba pher na ki shnong ba pher te kani ka pen I ba ka jing sedang jong pi kani ka attract but ka pen kemen yi kemi kpa ba ka don kum kani ka facilities te all the best but kemen scam ba ling ba kani ka jing trash tom ka jong ki help ki barit kin yo kalat kelanti hadian habut bakin nang kio haka football haki level ba pair haki age group ba pair so man shoot ya kene ka ball ban declare ya kene ka league open ma